Hi students, today I am going to explain what are saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. In simple, saturated compounds means in which all the valency of all the atoms are satisfied by single bond. If there is a single bond between carbon and carbon, if there is a single bond between carbon and carbon like methane, then it is a saturated compound. So these are normally not very active compounds. Then what are unsaturated carbon compounds? Unsaturated carbon compounds are the carbon compounds in which there will be a double or triple bond between the carbon atoms. Like in the case of ethylene and see here we can see propane like this. If there is double bond or triple bond, then they are called unsaturated carbon compounds and they are very active compounds than saturated carbon compounds. Next, we see the carbon compounds like methane, ethane, propane. So all these contain 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. See here methane. It have only one carbon atom attached with 4 hydrogen atoms because the valency of carbon is 4. Then ethane, C2H6, 2 carbon atoms attached with 3 hydrogen atoms together and 1 carbon and carbon bond. And with propane, C3H8, 3 carbon atoms attached to one each other, and here 3 hydrogen atoms at the ends, and in the middle carbon atom 2 hydrogen atoms. It is so we can see in all these there are carbon and hydrogen bonding, so they are called hydrocarbons because there is hydrogen and carbon bonding. They are called hydrocarbons, and all the saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. So and all the unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain double bonds, maybe one or more double bonds, are called alkenes, and the which contain one or more triple bonds are called alkynes. What is the general formula of alkanes? If we see, they are having single bond. I told the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Remember this, it is very important. So when one carbon is there, C1, then we will just substitute this 2 into N is 1 plus 2. So C1, no need to write 1. So C, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So CH4, like this we can write. And then C2, so H, 2 into 2 because N is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 2 to the 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So C2H6. How we can write like this, C2H6, 3 hydrogens are attached to each carbon atom. Then C3H 2 into 3 plus 2. So C3, 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. H8. So again we can write 3 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is satisfied. Then C4H 2 into 4 plus 2. So C4H 8 plus 2, 10. C4H10. Again we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms attached with 10 hydrogen atoms. See how it is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Satisfied. Then let's see with 5. C5 H2 into 5 plus 2. C5 H10 plus 2, 12. C5 H12. Again the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Satisfied. C6. Try this one. C6 H2 into 6 plus 2. So C6 to 6 12, 12 plus 2, 14. C6 H2. Try this doing. Okay. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n. So with 2 carbon atoms we took ethene. So C2H4, how it is C2H4? So C2H 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, C2H4. So double carbon atoms with hydrogen atoms bonded. So we have to check the carbon atoms should have 4 bonds because its valency is 4. Just check here, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is satisfied. In this carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is also satisfied. Like this we have to see. Next, C3H6, the same formula we will apply. So it is propene because 3 carbon atoms, it is called propene. So 3 carbon atoms I wrote. In one of the between the carbon atoms I wrote double bond. So we have to see the hydrogen atoms which it is satisfying the 4 valency. So here 2 bonds are there. So 2 hydrogen atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 balanced. Here we did not write 2 hydrogen atoms. We wrote only 1. Why? Just see, because the carbon atom should have 4 bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we did not write this. And here, because it is single bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hydrogen atoms are connected and 1 carbon atom is connected. Then C4H8, as we know the same formula, and it is called butene. So 4 carbon atoms in the middle of this, 1 double bond is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hydrogen atoms are connected. Valency is correct. Here also the same like in propene. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Like this we can write the structure. So next, alkynes. Its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. And here also 2 carbon atoms, it is called ethine. So 3 carbon atoms, it is called propyne. 4 carbon atoms, it is called butane. By applying the formula C2H2n, so 2 into 2 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So C2H2. Here also C3, 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So C3H4. Here also C4, 2 into 4 is 8, 2n minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So C4H6. Again we give here triple bond. In alkynes, triple bond will be there. So we write in ethine like this. And in propyne, see 3 carbon atoms. So between 2 carbon atoms, we wrote triple bond. Here we will see whether it is the valency 4 is satisfied or not. In this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is satisfied. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. So between carbon and carbon only it is satisfied. So no hydrogen atoms are there. In the last carbon atom, all the 3 bonds with hydrogen and 1 bond with carbon. Next, butane. Here also in 4 carbon atoms we wrote. In between 2 carbon atoms we gave triple bond. So we will see how in the last one here 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hydrogen atoms, 1 carbon atom connected. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this carbon atoms 3 bond. 3 here, 1 here. So 4. For this also same. In the last again 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. So 4 bonds are there. Like this we can write.